Alaska Aces, the orchestration is the key. So a point guard should actually take charge dito sa mga bata ni Coach Ryan.
Ito yung unang opensiba ng Pure Foods TJ Giants. Sinong pupuntahan nila? Hinahanap nila si James Yap. James Yap nakakuha ng bola against Willie Miller. 8 seconds to shoot. James Yap dumire-diretso sa loob. And he gets a basket.
Well, si James Yap ang nagte-take charge na dito. Kahit tatlo yung kanyang dinaanan, may press pa itong mga taga Pure Foods hoping for a momentum that can actually bring some points to them.
Pero nalibre naman dito sa corner. Ito si Willie Miller. Unchallenged shot. And that's a TM3 coming from Willie Miller.
Yan naman ang talas ng opensya ng Alaska. Ang paghanap nila ng bukas na mama all throughout this ball game, talagang pinagtsatsaga nila. Nakikita.
Ito yung si Lanete to Roger Yap. This is the same play on a different side. James Yap to Roger Yap. Sumugod sa loob. Roger Yap, left-handed layup. Wala. Villanueva with a rebound. James Yap tumira ng 3. Nothing there. Ralimi again. Hindi. Natapik ni Sanitos, but that will be credited to Reda Ralimi.
Ito si Sanitos dahil hindi makascore ang Pure Foods, tinulungan na niya.
Tinulungan na niya no?
One problem of Pure Foods dito, Richard, is the perimeter shooting. They only have 8 perimeter points kumpara sa 31 na nitong mga taga-Alaska.
Considering nga, yun ang dapat strength ng laro nitong Pure Foods. Having James Yap, saka sila Simon. In the meantime, ito. A stop by Pure Foods, pero kamalasan naman. Pinamigay ulit nila yung bola dito sa Alaska.
Another turnover. Isa sa mga nagka-black eye sila nung first half of play. Ngayon, bumabalik na naman.
If you're Alaska, gusto mo naman talaga magkaroon ng good start. You make the opposing team quit, no? Dahil nga napakalaki nito, kung mapalaki mo pa, baka sumuko na yung kalaban.
They have the momentum at makikita mo sa mga mata nitong mga taga-Alaska. They can still feel it.
Saka ano talaga, iba yung confidence level nila ngayon, no? Ito ngayon si Chico Lanete na libre. Yung sinasama, perimeter shooting, ayaw talaga pumasok para dito sa Pure Foods TJ Giants.
Ang kita mo naman sa kabaliktaran naman sa mata nitong mga taga Pure Foods, parang litong-lito itong mga ito.
Well, pangalawang beses na nga ito nangyari. Yung isa sa token text phone calls, pero doon nakabangon sila. Dito talagang hinihintay pa silang bumangon. Ito si Ralimi, kailangan kumayod. Pero wala rin yung tira. Fast break play ngayon ng Alaska. Bounce pass of Tenorio, extra pass of Tony De La Cruz. And look at that, even in transition,
you see 4 guys running. Akala mo sila yung naghahabol dito. But itong mga taga-Alaska, talagang kondisyon na kondisyon to dominate this ball game. At foul na lamang ang naibigay ng defense dito ng Pure Foods. One on Chico Lanete.
And even si Coach Tim Con, relax na relax dun sa bench niya, no? Nakaupo. I think minsan lang niya magamit yung upuan niya dito, no? Pagka may laro ang Alaska. Pero this time, because everything is really working for the Alaska Aces, Coach Tim Con, kita mo naman, kalmadong kalmado. He's like a Zen master.
Kulay na lang, mag-text na siya.
Okay, mantala, lalo lumalago itong lamang ng Alaska Aces. Kailangan pa rin maghanap ng solusyon itong Pure Foods TJ Giants. Si Chico Lanete, dalawang screen ang binigay ng malalaking mama. Ito ngayon si James Yap, undergoes tap, pumasok.
So James Yap, truly the captain of this team, no? Na naghahanap ng mga puntos. Si James Yap ang nagbibigay dito sa second quarter. All the points of Pure Foods coming from King James Yap, now with 9 points.
At this point, let's go over to Patricia Bermudez-Izon with a report.
Pagkalabas ng Pure Foods dito sa kanilang locker room, nakausap ko kagad din si Coach Ronnie Magsano. Pinag-usapan nga nila na kailangan nga nilang makagawa dito sa second half. They really have to do something, especially defensively. In the first half, Alaska actually scored too much, which propelled their energy all throughout, which they couldn't match. Naman, ito namang Pure Foods naniniwala pa rin na makakapag-stage sila ng comeback. In fact, they actually did something like this against Talk and Text dito din sa Inares. At doon sa larong iyon, kung saan naka-recover sila from a huge deficit, yung naging best player ito si James Yap. James Yap actually told me earlier before he stepped up for the last huddle before performing or fighting in this third quarter, sabi lang sa kanya ni Coach, don't give up, and he believes in those words. Back to you, Richard.
Oh, well, of course, marami pa nga rin mga parokyano ng Pure Foods na hindi umaalis dito sa Inares Center, hoping that they can stage a comeback. Katulad nga nung ginawa nila against the Talk and Text phone pals. But I'm sure itong Alaska Aces, alam rin naman yung nangyari na yun. Ayaw nilang sa kanila naman gawin.
Well, alam mo, ang Alaska in the first half, not really exceptional quarters. They scored 24 and 23. Ang problema, Pure Foods talaga ang baba nung kanilang scoring, 8 and 14.
Yun na nga, naging problema yung ofensa. Plus, it's really the energy nitong ng Alaska Aces. It's just playing smart, ito Alaska Aces. They're getting the ball in the right hands, in the right position, and they're getting open looks eh. Lang itong mga Pure Foods naman, parang hirap na hirap yung mga shots nila.
Correctly so, Richard. They're playing so relaxed in a positive way. Kaya naman, nahahanap nila ang kanilang open man. But James Yap was also open in that opportunity. Now with 12 points. At ito, bumubuhay sa mga fans of Pure Foods.
That's a TM press by James Yap. Ito na si Willie Miller. And Miller off the glass. And that's what you don't like. It's an uncontested shots na binibigay ng Pure Foods sa Alaska. Nakakashoot ka nga, pero pinapabayaan mo rin makashoot yung
Correct.
kalaban.
At pinapalitan ka agad ng napakabilis ng walang kahirap-hirap ng Alaska. Kaya hindi makuha ng Pure Foods yung momentum na hinahanap nila.
Ito ngayon, James Yap. Mainit na to si James Yap. Naghahanap ng espasyo, binigay kay Villanueva. Villanueva was bumped by Sonny Thos.
Pangatlo na ito for Sunny Thos.
Alam mo, ito nga Alaska. Matipid talaga magbigay ng foul back in the first half. They only committed a total of 4 fouls.
Sa second quarter lahat yun.
Oo, while limiting nga itong Pure Foods to only 22 points the entire first half.
Rico Villanueva. Kung itong dalawang players ng Alaska, Punasier at L.A. Tenorio, nakapag-adjust na at parang atong na sa Alaska. Rico Villanueva still has established himself as a giant.
Mantala, ito naman si James Carlos Yap. Well, it is TM3. Atin sa inyo ng bagong TM Discard Sim, 30 pesos lang. May bagong diskarte ka na. Kailangan pa marami-raming discounting katulad nun. Ito Pure Foods PJ Giants. Ito, maganda nangyari dito. Nakakuha sila offensive rebound. Roger Yap